welcome back to my channel. I am currently driving. I am on my way to get a facial and a chemical peel. I have never gotten a facial before, so this is gonna be my first time and I'm so excited. My esthetician recommended facials on top of chemical peels because I'm getting a lot of chemical peels. If you guys didn't know that, I will link some videos down below so you can check out me talking about my chemical peel journey. So I'm gonna get a facial, and she recommended a very low chemical peel when I'm doing a facial. So I'm gonna talk to her about maybe getting a stronger chemical peel because I feel like I haven't been getting the results that I want, like instant results. So I'm gonna talk to her about getting a stronger chemical peel and see if that will do. But if she recommends a lighter peel in addition to a facial, then we'll go with that. But I'm gonna take you guys along and you will see the process. Like I said, I've never got a facial before, so I'm super excited. Okay, so I just got to the med spa. I'm gonna go ahead and get in and take you guys along. I am 10 minutes late, but that's okay. We're making it. It's raining. Get my bag. Hey guys, so this is Simone. She's gonna do my facial and peel, right?
Yes.
So tell them what you're gonna do.
So today we're gonna do a customized facial where we'll do some cleansing, exfoliation, get a nice hydrating mask, and then after that we'll do the chemical peel. So the chemical peel is gonna help shed all the dead skin, help with the hyperpigmentation, fine lines, all that stuff that most women or people in general have concerns with. That's what we're going to take care of today.
I'm so excited. I have never done a facial before and I'm like, oh my gosh, treat my face. So do you think I should do a stronger peel?
After I take a look at your skin, we can kind of discuss and see how your skin is doing, and then if something stronger is needed, then I will definitely inform you of that.
So I started using these products that, oh my gosh, I can't, like, my face feels so good. I put one of the things that stands out is the lemon essential oil.
It feels good.
Oh my god, you're gonna feel my skin. I'm just like, Simone is gonna be proud of me.
Yes, because last time it was a little dry.
Yes,
you were using that
African blood soap.
Yes, and it was drying out all the moisture in your
oh
skin.
my god.
So now I hope that it feels better and looks better.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
We have a pigment gel that they have two. So one has hydroquinone in it, it's like 2%, and then the other one has more of the natural lighteners like kojic acid and azelaic. I use that one. I'm gonna write it down for you, and I'm gonna suggest that you try it because in combination with what you're doing and the treatments, that will help. Okay. That'll help with kind of speeding up the process because you gotta think of it. You come to see me like once a month, and you're using that every day or every other day. So that home care is really gonna drive your results.
Well, that one was difficult.
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I am loving the results. It looks so good. Do you guys see that glow? She did such a good job. My camera was acting up, so I didn't film the last bit of the treatment, but this is the final look. All right, guys, well, this is it. This marks the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this little trip with me to the med spa. Let me know if you guys want to see a lot of these videos. I have positive feedback on this skincare video, so if you guys want to see a couple more of these, let me know and I got you. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop some comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.